The Joint Task Force COVID Shield extended the deadline for putting seat barriers in motorcycle to allow backriding again. Task Force COVID Shield extended the deadline for putting seat barriers in motorcycle to allow backriding again. Instead of on Sunday, they pushed it back until July 31. However, the use of barriers had been criticized heavily due to its being accident-prone, like this motorcycle which turned over and crashed into a railing in Makati. The improvised barrier of the motorcycle was broken. The Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers released a position paper and stated the protective barriers will not shield the public from COVID-19. This will only cause problems not only to the safety of the riders but also to the environment. Aside from affecting the aerodynamics of the motorcycle, these covers or protective guard will also increase air resistance during travel, causing the increase of fuel consumption, which will contribute to air pollution. As the deadline nears, sales of those protective shields or covers, which can be brought from 600 to 800 pesos, is increasing, like in this motorcycle shop in Caloocan. However, even the shop owners disapprove of this new policy despite the increase in sales.
Malaking abala talaga yan para sa mga motorista. Mas okay na po yung naka-helmet sila, tas naka-face shield, saka naka-mask po.
Despite the criticism, however, many opt to just follow the regulation.
Kailangan rin sumunod kasi para maiwas na huli, mahirap yung mas mahuhuli.
Kung yan yung pinatupad nila, wala kaming magagawa kung di sumunod. Siguro extra ingat lang.
The Joint Task Force COVID Shield stood firm that the two approved motorcycle protective shield prototypes are safe.
Posible kasi na kaya na-aksidente dahil hindi mga prescribed barrier yung kanilang nailagay doon.
Ang kailangan lang po dito ay kung hindi sila sang-ayon sa paglagay ng barrier, bukas pa naman po ang IATF para sa mga bagong disenyo at anytime pwede silang mag-recommend sa amin para tingnan namin kung okay ang kanilang disenyo para magkaroon pa po tayo ng pangatlong disenyong aaprubahan which will give our public more options to choose from.
Government has extended the deadline for motorcycle backriders to comply with barrier requirements. From July 26 Sunday, backriders now have until July 31 Saturday to meet the safety requirements.